We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Dell S2815 printer, and we're going to show you how to replace your drum unit. So if you've been getting a replace drum or a drum unit low warning, then we're going to show you how to get that taken care of. It's a pretty simple process. First thing we need to do is lower this front cover. In order to do that, there's a little finger notch on either side of this cover. You're just going to grab those and lower this all the way down. And then before I remove the drum, I usually like to remove the toner first. So you're going to look inside of here, you're going to find this arrow on the drum, and you're going to want to push it up to its unlocked position. That's going to unlock the toner. And we can slide the toner out of the printer and set it off to the side on a clean, dry, flat surface. And then now we're going to remove our drum. So you're just going to grab the handle, pull it straight out, and there you go. You've now successfully removed your old drum. Once you have your new one unpacked and ready to use, give it a quick visual inspection, make sure there's no packing material anywhere left on it. Once you're happy with it, you can take it and you're just going to slide it right back into the printer. Make sure you press down firmly so it's seated all the way inside the printer. Now we're going to install our toner into our new drum. Slide it all the way in, and we need to pull the locking lever back into its locked position. Once you have the toner in its locked position into the drum, then you can raise this front cover here. Now give the printer a second to initialize. Once the printer comes back to its normal ready state, then it'll be good to go and back up and printing. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help answer those for you. Also, if there's any way we can help supply with any of your printer or office supply needs, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help provide those for you as well. We hope you have a great day and you're back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.